Hey! What's up? What's up? Hi! Today's video is actually a very exciting one. So yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we are going to talk about I am engaged, yay! So yeah, I'm engaged and I wanted to do a video on my boxes I've done for my bridesmaids and also the groomsmen and the best man and the maid of honor as well. If you've searched for this video and you found this, I hope I did help you with a few things that you can put in there. I did try to do it as cheap as possible because there's still going to be a lot of money going into the wedding. So yeah, I will let you know exactly where I got everything from, and I hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, so we got some tissue paper, just putting it in there. So this one's going to be for my maid of honor, and with my maid of honors I've got their pajamas and I've just wrapped it up in this, put that in there. Then we've got 2 bath bombs, and this is for the maid of honor, so I put 2 in there. And this is Japanese cherry blossom and coconut lime verbena. So just put them in there like that. Then I've got like these little lollies, I don't know if you can see them, which I put a little bow on it and in this little clear box. So I'll just put that there. Just got these 2 milk chocolates, and I'm putting 2 for my maid of honor, and I'll just put that there. And I just bought these earrings from Lavisa, and that's what they're gonna wear on the day. So just put that here. And then I got each one a candle, a little candle. This is $100. I also forgot to tell you where I got everything from. So they're from Lavisa, the earrings. The pajamas are actually from Kmart. It was $20 for the set, so with the pants and the top, which was good. And then these were Reject Shop. These were Reject Shop as well, these boxes. Then I got these little card things. They're from the Reject Shop, and I just wrote their name on it as well, that's for the outside. But also, I got their cards, and on the card it says their name and it says, will you be my maid of honor or my bridesmaid? So that's how the maid of honors one is. So Tuba, will you be my maid of honor? And I will be placing that in between somewhere so it doesn't look too bad. Where should I put it? Yeah, so that's one box. This is my maid of honors box. And they're obviously all the same. The only difference is it says bridesmaid on it. They get 2, they get 1. The bridesmaids get 1 bath bomb and 1 chocolate as well. So that's the only difference between the maid of honor and the bridesmaids. So that's the maid of honors box. Done. Put this on top. So the box is from Reject Shop. Just found these black ribbons. So put that on the bottom, and just so we know which one's which, we will be putting these things through the string, okay, like that. And then I was thinking of putting this, I don't know if it's going to be too much. That is my maid of honors box. So with my maid of honors one as well, I have a folder, and this is just our folder, so Brushlock and Sadgun's wedding planner. So yeah, this is my bridesmaids one. My one is, I think it's in my car. I don't even know where mine is. I'm gonna work with this one. So we have, for her, we have these. With my one, it has more USBs, everything else in there. So it has more notepads, more clips and USB, and an extra one of this as well. I just got this and then I punched a hole between it. This is the wedding checklist. So this obviously has everything in it that you need as a maid of honor. Yeah, so but mine obviously does have more information in it. Yeah, so this is like all the wedding budget, everything. The bridal attendants, so all the bridesmaids, you know, and then you've got the groomsmen as well, because she would obviously need to get in touch with them. Then you've got the grooms and the groom's attendants attire. You've got the same with the bridesmaids, all that stuff. You know, there's a lot of pages in here. With these, I actually just found them online, so I will link down where I got these from. And then we have these things. So these are really cool as well. I made them myself. Just get like a little plain box and then some cardboard, black cardboard. Make that on your computer. Print it out, so the buttons and the bow tie. Just get cardboard, stick that over it, bend a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little like the collar area. So you just bend a bit of the cardboard, and then I just put a little ribbon there as well. For the boys, we've got cufflinks. We just got a pair of socks for each one that they can wear on the day. We've got their names here as well, which goes into the little tag area, stays there. And that is the boys one, and it says here, will you be my groomsman? So yeah, that's my DIY box. Will you be my bridesmaid boxes, and will you be my groomsman boxes. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will be doing more, you know, wedding planning things if you do want me to. I would love to, so yeah. The boys too, you guys can open your
Oh my god, how exciting. Shut ups? Oh my god. What happens if I say no, mate? What happens if I say no? I know, but I wasn't busy on that day, man. I don't know. I know.
Thank you.
Of course I'll be your maid of honor. Oh my god, a bath bomb and everything. We don't even have awesome. So does everyone say yes or no?